Hi, writers! On Monday, you filled out a graphic organizer as you researched about humpback whales. On Tuesday, you used your graphic organizer to write a paragraph about humpback whales. That was a lot of hard work, right? We all know we can't become experts by doing something just once. So we have a writing plan for you this month. Day 1, you're going to research and fill out a graphic organizer. Day 2, you're going to use your research to write a paragraph. Here's what the week will look like. On Monday, you're going to get a new topic. You're going to research and fill out a graphic organizer. On Tuesday, you're going to use that research to write a paragraph. Then on Wednesday, you'll get a new topic and you'll do the same thing. You'll research and fill out a graphic organizer. Then on Thursday, you'll use that graphic organizer and that research to write a paragraph. By the end of this month, you're going to be an expert on writing a perfect paragraph. Let's get started. Today is Wednesday, so we're starting a new topic, which means we're going to research and fill out a graphic organizer. My topic today is going to be, drumroll please, bats. Ooh, my question is going to say, what makes bats so interesting? I already think I have some ideas. Today, we're going to practice researching and using a graphic organizer to plan our paragraph writing. Now remember, writers, you can use any graphic organizer you feel comfortable with. I just prefer a web because it's easy to draw. As you research, you're going to use the pause button to help you. Whenever you hear an important fact, make sure that you pause the video to fill out your graphic organizer. Then press play when you're ready to resume. Ready? Here's my question again. What makes bats so interesting? I have some teacher tips for you. Tip number 1, make sure as you're listening to the video, remember you can pause it as many times as you need to. Tip number 2, ask yourself, is this fact important? Is it helping me answer the question? And the most important tip that I have for you, tip number 3, before you write a fact in your graphic organizer, ask yourself, can I write a twin sentence about this fact? If you can't write a twin sentence, then it's not a strong fact. What makes bats interesting? The first thing I have to do is write the question in the center of my web so I don't forget it. What makes bats interesting? The other parts of my web will be used to answer the question. Now remember, make sure you write strong facts that you can turn into twin sentences. What makes bats interesting?
Hunters of the night, they awake as the sun goes down and fly through the darkness in search of prey. No, we're not talking about vampires. We're talking about bats. Bats are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. There are more than 1,100 species of bats, making them the...
Well, that was really interesting already. I just learned that bats are nocturnal. I think I'm going to write that in my first web. I can definitely add a twin sentence on that fact. Let's continue.
Bats are nocturnal, which means they are active at night. There are more than 1,100 species of bats, making them the second most common group of mammals on the planet. About one species of mammal in every 5 in the whole world is a bat. Bats live almost everywhere, except the Arctic, Antarctic, and a few isolated islands. They usually roost in caves, old buildings, or trees, although they may also be found on the underside of bridges. Bats are mammals, which means they are warm-blooded, they have fur, and they feed their babies milk. Unlike any other kind of mammal, however, bats can fly.
Oh, I think I have my second interesting fact about bats. They're mammals. I can definitely add more detail about that. So let me write that in one of my circles. Now I'm on to my third fact. What's interesting about bats?
Bats can fly. Bat wings and bird wings are different. Bird wings are like arms, with feathers growing out of them to provide lift and allow flight. Bat wings are like hands with very long fingers. Thin, leathery skin stretched between the fingers is what makes the surface of the wings. Because bats have more movement in their wings than birds do, they can change direction faster than birds can, which makes it easier to catch their food.
That was so interesting. Those wings, I can't wait to write more about them. I'm going to add wings in my third circle. Now it's your turn, friends. Here's your question. What makes owls interesting? You're going to first click on the video to learn about owls. You can also do extra research if you need to by going on Mayan or Epic. Step 2, you're going to draw or print out the graphic organizer to help you plan your writing. And step 3, submit your work. As you're watching the video, make sure you watch till the end. You'll learn some really interesting facts. Make sure you take a picture of your graphic organizer. You might need it to complete tomorrow's assignment if you can't find the assignment from today. You can show your work 2 ways. Option 1, complete it in a notebook and send a picture to your teacher. Or option 2, open the Google document that looks like the one below and write in the text box. I can't wait to see your work.